Alright, everyone. I know that here on YouTube there are thousands of different recipes for homemade salsa. I'm going to show you the one that I use and how it's a little bit different. I'm going to use my bullet chopper today. In here I've got about a tablespoon of whole corn kernels. That's what kind of makes this one a little bit different. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of olive oil. I'm using jalapeno. I'm not taking the seeds out or anything. Just goes right in. As much onion as you like. It's all about ratios. And I'm going to cram in all my tomatoes here. I'm going to have to do the tomatoes in two different parts. So, got my chopper. Give this a pulse. Alright, some of the tomatoes are chopped up. I can fit some more in there now. As you notice on the tomatoes, I didn't even take the tops off or anything because it's getting ground up. So, it doesn't really have an effect on it. And I like mine smooth. But if you like yours chunky, you can stop a little bit earlier than I do. Alright, I'm going to put in the last little hunks of tomato here. Oh, oops. Stuff happens in the kitchen, y'all. Be ready for it. To this, I'm going to add some garlic powder, some freshly ground black pepper, a little bit of salt, and just a touch of cilantro if I get the bag open. My cilantro. Get that back on. There we go. Instant salsa. It's nice and fresh, ready for a chip. So, I want you to make it. Tell me what you do a little bit differently. And enjoy. More salt in this one, though.